Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're going to enhance our reports from our previous demo. So let's start. Start with, let us create a new file. Under here, let's create a new file, and we're going to name this as demo3.js. Now, we're going to copy old code from our previous video. Then we're going to paste that in our new file. Now from here, we're going to rename this function to demo3. Let's save that. And then head over to our index.js. We're going to replace also this demo to here, or rather all the demo to, right? Afterwards, we're going to run the code. Okay. So to test the code, we're going to click this link here by pressing Control and with your left mouse. And there you go. In FluentReports, we can also customize the header. So notice here, we only extend unto this section here. So also, we can also add it more features from the top. Let's say, for example, let's head over to our demo tree. Then from here, let's modify the header. Okay, so from our header, we can still add more by simply copy this section. So let's say I'm going to name this as sample printing. And then for the features, we're going to align this on the right corner. And then with the font size of 14. Okay. Also, we can simply set this to bold. All right. So if we're going to save that, then from here, we're going to reload our page. And there you go. So notice here, we can also customize by adding more features such as like this one. Also, we can also add it a color for this printing text. And to do that, let's head over to our code. From this section here, we're going to add another properties. And I'm going to fill the properties field. And for the color, let's say I'm going to set this to yellow. So let's make it text empty. All right. Then let's save that. And from here, we're going to reload this page. And there you go. Right now, this is one of the few things that we can do more in our header. In the later video, we're going to expand more on these header settings. But for now, we're going to focus on this table here. So what we're going to do is we're going to display each rows according to group. So let's say a group of John, a group of John Doe or Doe. So we're going to split this table and display in a group manner. So let's start. To start with, let us minimize this report. Okay, For that to make it happen, we need to focus on these entire blocks here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the variable. Then from here, I'm going to call these properties group by. Now, for the group by, we need to initiate a column that will, which is common to the group table. Now, if you check our table or the data, we have a group of John and a group of Go. So these are the two suppliers within this array of data. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this column, going to fill this up. Okay. So next to that, we're going to also drop by or extract the points. Take note, we declare this sum point here is to the computation from the overall reports. So I want that to include in our groupings. Okay. So same goes. In this section, since we're declaring a group, we're going to add another properties, and that is the footer. Now, for the footer, since we already have that, we're going to extract this page footer. Take note the difference. This is a footer for the page, while this one is a footer for this certain group only. Now, we're going to copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so since we're going to display a group of data, we could say that we can remove this now because we won't be needing this anymore. Okay, and then, okay, so from here, since we already separate the group, so this indicates that we're going to display each table into a group. Now, notice here, for this to display or initiate, right, or rendered, we need to also transfer this one. So to justify or to execute all at once, I'm going to assign that in this section here. So I'm going to copy the variables and place the render in this section. So what it does is it combines or compiles all the information from this first top and this certain group. So let's check that. And there you go. Notice here. So right now, we already made a group of John. So let's check the other page. So take note, this is page 1 of 2. And here is the second page, which is a group of Go. And also notice also the totals. So it computes the total of each group. So this is only for Do. So it computes only for Do only. And then if you head back here, this is also uh, sum up the total only for John supplier. So also notice also in our footer, so this is also follows the format from page 1 of 2 and page 2 of 2. So that's it guys. Alright, hope you like this video and please like and share and hit that notification bell. On the next coming up video, we're going to discuss more about Fluent Reports, so stay tuned. And once again, if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And see you guys on the next video series. Cheers!